Okay, so this video is in response to the comment made by Krishna Aditya, and the question he asked, he gave me a equation like this. This one is his given equation, and he asked me to factorize it. Now, first step for our method in video 1 was to put x equals to 0. So I got this equation, which on solving you get this. Okay, so I'm going to show you that both of them are the same thing, right? So when I turn this on, you can see this is the graph of this thing. Let's turn off every other thing. Yes. Now if I turn on this, nothing changes. Okay, this is this one and this is that one, they are both same. Now we put, so this is the factorized version of this. Alright, these are the roots. No, I mean, you get what I want to say. Then we put y equals to 0, so we get this equation, which on factorizing becomes this, and the the roots are given. So now what we have to do is that we have to merge the terms having the common constants. But the question is, there are no common constants. So I think that was his question. If that is not your question, Aditya, Krishna, I would like you to comment again clearly what your question was. But for now, I'm going to tell you how to do that. So if we multiply 6, no, not 6, 10, would it make any difference? Right? It won't. If you multiply 10 on both sides, it won't make any difference. The graph would be still the same. Now I want you to take this 10 and break it into 5 here and 2 over here. Now put that 5 inside, and if you put the 5 inside, then the 5 from the denominator part will vanish, and if you put the 2 inside, the 2 from the denominator part will vanish, and it still stays the same. You can see it stays the same. Now for the y part, I want you to do the same, but with 2 and 3 and multiply 6 over here. So okay, no, am I changing it? 0.10 maybe. Okay, but the thing is, multiply 6 on both sides and put the 2 where the denominator is 2, so you get 2y, and put the 3 over here, and you can just multiply 3. It would look better. I mean, you can do it, but fine, that's same. Okay, it seems there is a bit of a problem. The graphs are now not the same. How so? Multiply it. No. Okay, that's weird. How can the graph change? Um, let's check out 6, 23, 21. Right. 6, 23, 21. Calculate, and I think we are going to get minus 3 by 2 and minus 7 by 3. That was right. Minus 3 by 2, minus 7 by 3. I see. I forgot to remove the fractions. Anyway, yeah, so they are now same. Yes, they are the same. So now you can see the constants are same. So now if we merge this one, okay, this one and this one, put equals to 0, we get a line, and then we merge the second one with the second one, oh, sorry, and we get another line. Now I want you to compare it with the initial line. You see, we have got our line. That means we can factorize this thing into simply 5x plus 3 plus 2y times 3y plus 7 plus 2x equals 0. There we go. So the answer is yes, you can use this trick to factorize even these types of problem where the roots of the quadratic equation are not good. So you just multiply the corresponding terms so that the denominator vanishes. Alright, so that was it for this video. If you have any problems or questions you want to ask, you can comment so that I will make a video on it, or maybe I will just reply. But anyway, thank you for your support, and that's it. See you in the next video.